What is your favorite season of the year? Do you like summer? Do you like winter? Do you like to go to the beach on a warm day with a cool breeze? Or do you like the chill of the winter air as you leave your house to start your day? Our seasons are caused by the relationship between the earth and the sun. The sun plays a very important part in all of our lives. Life on earth is supported by the energy from the sun. Our language shows how important the sun is to our everyday lives. We have sunroofs, sunglasses, sunsuits, and so on. We need the vitamin D that the sun provides to keep our bodies strong. If all parts of the earth received the same amount of sunshine each year, there wouldn't be any seasons. The earth spins on its axis once every 24 hours. This is the length of our day. The earth also travels around the sun. This trip takes a little over 365 days, 1 year. Notice that the earth's axis is tilted. As the earth travels around the sun, its axis always points in the same direction. This means that sometimes the North Pole is pointed towards the sun. At other times, the North Pole is pointed away from the sun. Whether we are having summer or winter is due to how much heat our location on the earth is getting from the sun. When the northern half of the earth is pointing towards the sun, it is getting more heat for two reasons. The one reason is that there are more hours of daylight. The other reason is that the sun's rays fall more directly on the northern hemisphere. These rays are hotter than those rays in the winter. Notice this diagram here. When the northern hemisphere is pointing towards the sun, it is summer for that hemisphere. At the same time, it's winter in the southern hemisphere because it is further away from the sun and it receives less heat and less of the sun's rays. Later in the year, as it does its rotation, you'll notice that the northern hemisphere is now pointing away from the sun. During that time, it is winter in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, it is summer. This is why summer is opposite, depending on which hemisphere you are, northern or southern. Take a moment to copy down this diagram in your notes. You'll notice that summer and winter for the northern hemisphere are directly opposite each other when the Earth is in its orbit. You'll notice that autumn and spring are also directly opposite. Again, to remind you, this is due to the axis's tilt compared to the sun and the directness of the rays from that sun. In the next few moments, you should have finished copying down your notes. Please continue on to the next video that talks about time zones. Good luck.